Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Your topic is favorite number. Speaking part 1 question with answer. Your first question, what is your favorite numbers? Your answer, well, to be very honest with you, I have never thought of this question that I would have some favorite number. But I remember that in the high school I had 9 as my enrollment number and it seemed to be very lucky for me. So 9 is my favorite number, I think. Your second question. Are you good at remembering the phone numbers? Your answer, indeed, I am very good at remembering any number, telephone or landline number. I even remember some of my distant relative number. That's my specialty. Your third question, are you good at math? You answer, well. To tell you the truth, I am not at all good with the maths and I even flunked in the math exam when I was in the fourth standard, which is so embarrassing to tell you right now. Your fourth question, do you usually use the numbers? Your answer, not really. Conceivably, I use my number phone to keep my social media account, passwords, or user identities. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for the new update.